Let's learn the big reveal. It's choreographed by Fiona Hadisubroto, Hadisubroto, and Tim Johnson. It is a 32 count, 4-wall intermediate level line dance with tags on the ends of walls 1 and 4 and a restart on wall 3 after 16 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the tags and the restart, and then we're going to go through and dance 5 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn the big reveal. Section 1, you're going to start on your left foot. We're going to do 2 walks forward, right, left. We're now going to do a side mambo, rocking your right foot to the right side and recover onto your left. We're going to do a cross mambo, cross-rocking your right over your left, slightly angling yourself to the diagonal, and recover back onto your left. We're now going to point our right toe to the right side, remaining into the diagonal, and we're going to do a body roll, starting with our head and shoulders. You're going to roll back and sit down over your right foot. We're now going to do a ball cross that's going to spring you back up to 12 o'clock. So you're going to make an eighth of a turn as you cross your right over your left. So you're going to quickly step your left next to your right and make that eighth of a turn over your right shoulder, crossing your right over your left to face 12 o'clock. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 9 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left doing your walks. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder doing a counterclockwise hip roll. So we're going to make that quarter turn as we step our right foot to the right side to face 6 o'clock, and you're going to roll your hips counterclockwise from left to right, and then touch your left toe to the left side. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder as we roll our hips clockwise from right to left, and you're going to put your weight onto your left foot to face 9 o'clock, and then hit your right knee up. We're now going to shuffle back with our right, stepping right back, left together, and as we step back with your right, you're going to hit your left knee up. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 6 o'clock. You're going to bring both hands up to your chest and tap your chest, and then we're going to pop our right knee slightly in and tap your chest again. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our ball cross quarter, so you're going to do your quarter hip roll. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to do an 8 botafongo. So we're going to make an 8th turn over our right shoulder as you cross your right over your left to face 7:30. You're going to rock the ball of your left foot to the left side and recover onto your right. We're now going to step forward with our left. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder as you hitch your right knee up, and as you hitch your knee up, you're going to bring both hands up and snap them over your head. You're now facing 10:30. We're going to do a strutting walk. Our body is going to remain facing 10:30, but we're going to walk towards 1:30. So we're going to step our right foot to the right side, and as you do that, you're going to push your hip to the right, cross your left over your right. Step to the right and push your hip to the right, and cross your left over your right. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our chest tap. We're going to do your 8 botafongo. So it's 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to step our right foot to the right side, still facing 10:30, and touch your left next to your right. We're going to do a kick, ball, cross, kick your left foot forward, step your left next to your right, and cross your right over your left. Make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 7:30. Make a 3/8 turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 3 o'clock. Step back with your left, slightly sitting over this left foot, and then clap your hands twice. And that is the whole dance. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just crossed over. You're going to do your side touch. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your walk. So it's walk, walk, side, mambo, cross, mambo, point, side, body, roll, 8 ball cross, quarter, quarter, hip roll with a touch, quarter, hip roll with a hitch, shuffle back, hitch, quarter, quarter turn, chest tap, knee pop, chest tap. 8, photo fold, go, step, quarter hitch, side, cross, side, touch, kick, ball, cross, quarter 3/8, step back. Let's try to get some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your walks. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the tags. The tags are always going to happen facing 3 o'clock. So it'll be the end of wall 1 and the end of wall 4, and they're exactly the same. Section 1 of our tag, weight will be back on your left foot. We're going to do a kickball point. When you point, you're going to make it a lunge, so you're going to bend your knees and dip down. So we're going to kick our right foot forward, step your right next to your left, and then you're going to bend your knees as you point your left toe to the left side. We're now going to drag our left toe into our right. We're going to cross our left over our right. Quickly make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot and together with your left to face 12 o'clock. We're now going to do a body roll, starting with your head and shoulders. You're going to roll them forward and then back. And when you do that, you want to put your weight onto your left foot. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your kickball point. So it's 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Section 2 of our tag, we're going to do a jazz box half turn. So you're going to cross your right over your left. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 3 o'clock. Make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 6 o'clock, and cross your left over your right. From here, we're going to unwind a half turn. And as you do this, you're going to bring your hands up and out, kind of like you're doing a big reveal, like ta-da. So as we unwind, your hands are going to come in towards the center and out towards the sides. You're going to unwind over your right shoulder, bringing your hands up and then down to face 12 o'clock. To end the tag, you're going to cover your parts. So you can either do down, down, you could do down, up. You can kind of do whichever parts you would like. I personally like to go down, up, and that's what I do, but you can kind of do it for yourself, whichever one feels best for you, but you're just kind of covering yourself, making sure your weight is on your left foot. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just done our body roll. You're going to do your half jazz box. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then you're ready to do wall 2 to 12 o'clock. So now let's face the side. We're going to do the tag 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your kickball point. So it's kickball point, drag, cross, quarter together, body roll. Jazz box half turn with a cross, unwind, bring your hands up and out, and then cover right, left. You want to make sure that it's right hand, then left hand. Cover yourself how you want, but make sure it's right hand first. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your kickball point. So it's 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole tag. You will then dance wall 2 all the way through. When we come back to facing 3 o'clock on wall 3, this will be your restart wall. You're going to dance 16 counts, which is up to your chest tap. We want to restart facing 12 o'clock, so you'll make your walks go towards 12 o'clock. So you'll make a quarter turn walking right, left, and continue on with the dance. So that's the only change that you're going to do, is that you're going to make that quarter turn so that you restart facing 12 o'clock. So let's dance those 16 counts. Weight is on your left, you're doing your walk. So it's walk, walk, side, mambo, cross, mambo, point, body, roll, ball, cross, quarter, quarter, hip roll with a touch, quarter, hip roll with a hitch, shuffle back with a hitch. Now it's your quarter with your chest tap. Right here to restart the dance, you're going to turn towards 12 o'clock and walk. Right, left, side, mambo, cross, mambo, point to the side, body, roll, ball, cross, quarter. And you will dance on from there. Now, that wall immediately after is your next tag wall. So you'll dance the full 32 counts coming back to 3 o'clock, and you will do your tag again. After that tag, you don't have to worry about anything else. The dance does end facing 3 o'clock. We're not going to turn towards 12 o'clock. When you step back and do your claps, you're just going to look towards 12 o'clock. So you're just kind of doing a little bit of a sassy sit and look towards 12 o'clock, and that is how you're going to end the dance. So now let's go around on the front and back walls. I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 5 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from the tags and the restart into their next wall. The first time we do the tag, I will do steps. The second time we do the tag, I will do counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your walk. So it's walk, walk, side, mambo, cross, mambo, point, side, body, roll, 8-ball, cross, quarter, quarter, hip roll with a touch, quarter, hip roll with a hitch, shuffle back, hitch, quarter, turn, chest tap, knee pop, 8, go to full, go, step, quarter, hitch, side, cross, side, touch, kick, ball, cross, quarter, 3/8, step back, do your tag, it's kick, ball, point, drag, cross, quarter, together, body, roll, half gas box with a cross, do your unwind, and then cover yourself, right, left, start over, it's walk, walk, side, mambo, cross, mambo, point, side, body, roll, 8-ball, cross, quarter, quarter, hip roll with a touch, quarter, hip roll with a hitch, shuffle back, hitch, quarter, turn, chest tap with a knee pop, 8, go to full, go, step, quarter, hitch, side, cross, side, touch, kick, ball, cross, quarter, 3/8, step back, 16 counts, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, make that quarter turn to start over, it's quarter, walk, walk, side, mambo, cross, mambo, touch, side, body, roll, 8-ball, cross, quarter, quarter, hip roll with a touch, quarter, hip roll with a hitch, shuffle back, hitch, quarter, turn with your chest tap, knee pop, 8, go to fall, go, step, quarter, hitch, side, touch, kick, ball, cross, quarter, 3/8, step back, do your tag, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Start over, walk, walk, side, mambo, cross, mambo, point, side, body, roll, 8-ball, cross, quarter, quarter, hip roll with a touch, quarter, hip roll with a hitch, shuffle back, hitch, quarter, turn, chest tap, 8, go to full, go, step, quarter, hitch, side, touch, kick, ball, cross, quarter, 3/8, step back, and after that you will dance through the rest of the walls until it ends. When you are dancing the side wall all the way through, you're going to remember that your crosswalk is angled to whatever corner was to the left of your wall. When we're dancing facing 3 o'clock, that crosswalk, sassy, hip thing will be angled towards 1:30. When we're dancing the 6 o'clock wall, it will be angled towards 4:30, and when we're dancing the 9 o'clock wall, you'll be angled towards 7:30. So it's just going to be kind of a place to remember, since we never dance those walls, it's always going to be angled towards the corner of the left of the wall that you started at. So once we do this quarter hitch, you're going to be angled towards that corner that is left of your starting location. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn the big reveal. If you have any questions, let me know.
INDEPENDENT, can you spell it? Modern women need a man just like a fish needs a necklace. I don't need your permission to be sexy and happy, cause I make my own sugar and I am my own daddy. Let's go. You wanted a baller till your balls got busted. Said you like my confidence, but do you now? Every time I talk you gotta interrupt it. Oops, was it uncool of me to think out loud? Don't make this complicated, or you'll never see me naked. INDEPENDENT, can you spell it? Modern women need a man just like a fish needs a necklace. I don't need your permission to be sexy and happy, cause I make my own sugar and I am my own daddy. Let's go. I can take a joke if it's a joke that's funny. You're not that funny. Now you call me sensitive and say that it's a